But that bitch look totally different with just the kickstand, dude. Makes that hoe look way better. Way I tap in, look. Yes, sir. And then we got the front on this thing. About to test out that light too. Yes, sir. Got it all wired in here. We'll tuck up all this wiring and stuff. Plugs in right there. Got the rechargeable battery ran. Got the dash on. Got the regular beams. Then you got the high beams right there. Then you got a horn. That battery's going dead. I'm gonna charge it up. Yes, sir.